Today I'm going to show you how to use the extract restore function on the mExtension toolbar. This function can be used in two ways. The first way, it allows you to extract parts of the project into a different location so you can work on a variation of the project. If you have different ideas of how to build a frame, or if you want to do some FEA analysis on it, just select it in the browser or in the window, go to the mExtension toolbar, click on extract, and it makes a copy of that part of the project into a different location so you can play with it. I know you can use the pack and go option, but I find this much easier. Plus, when I'm finished with doing all the changes and all the variation, I can use restore to get that copy, to get it back into the project. Because I already have finished my project and I still have time until I need to release it, and I'm thinking maybe there's a better way of building this. So I'm gonna select the support frame assembly and then head over to the mExtension toolbar and click on extract. I've already created my folder, so I'm just gonna select it, project variation, and click apply. Now what it did is created a copy of my project file along with all the files that I've selected. So let me rename my project file project variation, and I'm gonna open it in Inventor. So okay, here we go. Change this to thumbnails. This is everything that it's been copied over. So the subassembly that I've selected, along with all its files, all the referenced models and the drawings, are copied over, so I can play with it and try and make some changes and find a different way of building it. Now once I've finished, and if I'm happy with the changes that I've done, I can go back to my original project, select the frame assembly, and hit restore. Then I go to my project variation folder and select the frame that I've modified. So this function allows you to make some changes and play with different options on part of the project without modifying the original one. You don't want to lose the original one, just keep it as it is, and I'm going to play save somewhere else. Alright, the second way of using this function is to restructure the project. Let's take a look at my project as it is now. As you can see, I only have one folder, and in that folder I have the electric panel with all its files. Now I'm gonna try and move the battery box assembly in its own folder with all its files. So we select the battery box assembly from the browser and click on extract. The extract function, if you use it inside the project, it actually moves the selected subassembly on all the references into that folder. So I'm going to create a folder called battery box assembly, and let's click apply. Here's the information window. 20 files were moved. Let's see what it moved. Battery box assembly, here's my folder. Let's change this to large thumbnails. The battery box assembly with all its components has been moved to its own folder. And you can use this for all the sub-assemblies if you want to restructure your project and make it easier to find things around.